Hi, Ivana Graham here to talk about Dyslexia Toolkit. Today I'm going to talk about tool number 5, scanning. Scanning goes very well with tracking, which we talked about last time. So once a student has learned how to track along the text, looking at the words as he or she hears them, then you can teach scanning, where you go back to the same sentence or the same paragraph, and you ask the student to find a specific word or series of words. So you can say, here in this first line, and you point at it, can you find the word weather? If they get it right, you go, great job. Can you find the word elephant? Great job. Can you find the word other? Great job. If they miss it, they pointed the wrong word, you just say, I think we went a little too fast. Let's go back and read this sentence again together. Okay, watch the words while I read them. You do tracking again, and then you repeat the scanning with the same words or different words until the student can confidently point to the word that you ask for. Scanning is a powerful way to re-imprint the words that the student has just seen while tracking. And it's part of a whole technique that I explain in more detail right here in this book. And we're going to talk about another tool that goes with tracking next time.